One of the most important formulas within Excel is Vlookup, where it will merge the information of two tables using one common entry. What you should know is that common entry should always be to the left of the tables that you would like to merge. An example here, we have employee IDs and their names. In the second table, we have employee IDs and we would like to get their names. Let's press on the first cell that we would like to use to grab the name. Then we can go up here where it says insert function. It will open this window where it will ask you what function or formula you would like to look up. Just write VLOOKUP, press enter. It will show the function here. Double click on it. And now when this window opens, the first field, it will ask you what common cell content you would like to use, the value to look up in the other table. So first press on employee ID. For the second one, we press in it and then we highlight the table it should look in. And here, to ensure that we can use this VLOOKUP function on our whole second table without causing any issues, we highlight the table array and then press F4 to lock this table reference in. For the third one, it asks you in your table, what would you like for us to grab? Here it's employee name, which is number 2. So if you have a bigger table, let's say number 3 or 4 and so on, you see what information you would like to grab from the table and put the column number here. For the fourth field, it will ask you whether true or false. For true, it will give you similar or not exact results. For me, I'll write false to ensure that it's always exact. So for the first cell, which is 357, it brought the first name, which is Rose. Pull down on the rest of the employee IDs, it will bring the rest of employee names. So 669, which is Miriam, 114, which is Malaysia. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And here are some other guides that might find useful.